I just wake up with a general sense of fatigue each day, and I also found myself being moody and had visited 4 different doctors with my primary care physician, and they had diagnosed me with a thyroid nodule.
I come to see Dr. Ilya because I have been suffering with arthritis in my hips and back, lower back.
I had a shoulder injury and I went to a medical doctor. We got x-rays. Basically, my range of motion, every time I lifted, I'd have like a little nerve pain and hurt.
Before coming to see Dr. Ilya, I was on 8 medications and had really bad sleep apnea and asthma. I would wake up in the morning with major headaches and really bad stomach aches.
And really didn't give me a lot of benefits in terms of what I could do at home to stop the thyroid nodule from growing and how to address some of the symptoms that were a result of the thyroid nodule. And I was referred to Dr. Ilya from a friend that's gone to see him for years.
I was surprised to learn that I was deficient in iron and iodine.
And so I tried the medical doctor. They said they couldn't find anything. Then I went to a massage therapist, tried to get it worked out that way. Didn't really work, still had it. And then I spoke with Ilya on the phone and he said, come on in and let's see what's going on.
The other medical doctors, I've seen other medical doctors, and none of them were able to find treatments that helped me for a long period of time without taking a lot of medicines and drugs.
Well, Dr. Ilya felt like there were ways to control the symptoms, and he had given me a lot of home care and very specific instructions on what to do at home in order to help the symptoms stay at bay. Because of the condition I have, it's not ever going to go away. However, it can be treated, the cause can be treated, and that's what I've been seeing him for the last 6 months for.
Dr. Ilya uses a combination of treatments, which includes chiropractic care, as well as nutrition. And since I've been having proper nutrition, I'm feeling so much better, have so much energy, a lot of energy, and I'm no longer hurting. I am no longer hurting.
I think he turned off the nerve. He used his thumb, and it was actually very excruciating pain. And I actually was like, this is my first visit. I'm like, what are you doing? You're going to make it worse. And he's like, trust me. And lo and behold, after the pain, the next, within a few minutes, it was all gone and it was healed. So, success.
Now that I'm seeing Dr. Ilya, I'm on no medications. I sleep better, I wake up without stomach aches and headaches, and I feel fine.
There were a lot of lifestyle changes that I had to take into account for my condition. I had to cut out certain things that I was habitually eating, as well as improve my sleep hygiene, decrease my stress level, enjoy the sun a lot more often, as well as incorporate the use of different products on my body. All of those were very doable for me.
I'm not going from one doctor to another, to get whole care. I'm getting total care in this one place with Dr. Ilya. So I'm pleased about that.
I consider Dr. Ilya a healer in a sense that's different than Western medicine. Possibly things that other practitioners can't cure or don't have answers to. Ilya seems to have some unique ideas about how to deal with them that differ from what I've typically been exposed to. It seems like from the stuff that he's worked on me with, they've worked, so it's pretty interesting stuff.
I am completely free to live my life.
I would absolutely recommend Dr. Ilya. As a matter of fact, I have to other people who are coming to see him.
Dr. Ilya has just completely impressed me. I've been to many alternative therapy doctors in my entire life, and ultimately he feels like a great combination of all of them into one. And he's been able to work with me not only on nutrition, but he's a fantastic chiropractor, and my adjustments always feel as though they're extremely accurate, and I feel like I'm standing on both feet as straight as can be when I leave his office, as well as the emotional component that seems to hold me back. He's been able to help me work through, and the attachments to foods or the attachments to life concerns, I feel like he's been able to help me move forward.